How are you doing?
Do this, we're on Pipeline.
Are you ready to stand up and launch?
I am standing, I am launching, I am surfing.
All right, here we go. We're gonna be surfers. Oh, we're gonna ride the wave. Get ready for it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh, man! All right, here we go. Get ready to ride the waves! Woo! Oh, yeah! We're bouncing and flipping upside down, and we're standing up. We're surfing! Hooray! Whee! Oh, how's your surfing over there?
Great.
Oh, here we go, ride the wave! Whee! Oh my God! Oh yeah! Oh wow, here we go! One more time, we're surfing! Woo! Oh wow! And that's Pipeline at SeaWorld Orlando. How was your standing and surfing?
Great.
You were bouncing quite a bit.
There was a lot of airtime.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. How's your ride on Icebreaker so far?
At least it's very comfortable.
It is a very comfortable Icebreaker ride. All right, here we go. We are heading.
Sideways.
We are heading towards the launch track.
It's like the Mr. Freeze section.
How are you feeling over there?
It's really comfortable.
I'm very orange and comfortable. Oh my God! Oh, here we go! Yay! I look like a little tiny bump right there. Oh, yay! Oh wow! Here we go! Comfortable airtime. Whee! Oh no! A rollback! People at Cedar Point have wanted that for years. We get it every time on Icebreaker. Whee! Here we go! Get ready! Yay! Comfortable airtime! Comfortable orange top hat! Woo! How you doing over there?
Great.
Oh! Wow! Whee! Yay! Icebreaker, you are so comfortable! Sideways comfortness! Yay! Oh man, comfort mode activated! Hooray! Woo! How was your ride?
Very comfortable.
I agree, it was very, very comfortable.
How to fix a roller coaster super easily.
Take off the comfort collars. You hear that, Tigress? You can do it.
You're next.
Yeah. And you too, Tempesto. And you too, Electric Eel. And West Coast Racers. All right, here we go on Mako. You're even wearing your shark shirt.
I love sharks.
All right, here we go, guys. We are climbing the lift hill. Is this still the tallest roller coaster in Orlando?
It's in Orlando, I think.
The tallest roller coaster here in Orlando, at least for right now. Themed to sharks. We like sharks.
We love sharks.
Sharks are good. Sharks are your friend.
Is that a bald eagle? No, it's a seagull. Oh, is it? Oh, it's, I can't.
It's some kind of bird up
I
there.
think that's a fucking bald eagle. A bald eagle. That's a bald eagle. There's another one right there.
We
Oh my
are.
God, what
We're
is
swimming with the bald eagles.
Woo!
Yay! Here we go. Woo! Oh man! Oh wow! Woo! Oh! Here we go, guys! Mako airtime! Oh! Woo! Oh wow! All right, get ready and oh!
Every time.
I wish those brakes were not there, but they are. Whee! Oh! Whee! Oh! Oh yeah! Oh! Oh, here we go, guys. Diving under the left tail. Whee! Oh wow! Oh, here we go. We're gonna come around the lake. Whee! Lakeside view. Woo! And we did it! We survived Mako. The bald eagles are still hanging out over there.
It's like the most
There's
Busch Garden, SeaWorld, that's theming right there.
There's bald eagles, there's sharks.
Oh yeah, it's like corporate synergy at its best.
Yay!
America.
If we were like just holding a thing of beer, then that would make this all perfect.
Photoshop it in.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Kraken.
We like this ride.
I liked it better when it was blue.
It's very green.
It is very green.
It's very
now.
Hulk green.
It is very Hulk.
It's like the Incredible Kraken. Yay!
Crackle. There's Mako.
Got to Hulk out on Kraken. All right, here we go. This park has a lot of roller coasters now.
It really does. A lot of B&Ms.
Mako, Kraken, Penguin Track, Pipeline, Icebreaker, Manta. Yeah, that's a lot of B&Ms. Except for Icebreaker. All right, here we go, guys. All right, get ready for it.
Straight drop.
Here we go, Incredible Kraken! Whee! Oh, yeah, I love it! Ready? Here we go! Flipping upside down! Oh! And 0 G's! Oh, man! Oh! Cobra roll, snake dive on fire! Woo! Oh! All right, here we go. No brakes, no brakes, no brakes. A little bit of brakes.
A lot of brakes.
And don't forget vertical loop number 2. Whee! Loop-de-loop. Oh! Woo! All right, here we go.
Kraken!
Into the tunnel! And whee! Oh! Incredible Kraken. You did not disturb her Kraken eggs, did you?
I would not dare.
We are very kind and respectful of the Kraken eggs.
We would not want to release the Kraken in any way.
No, that would be bad. All right, here we go, everyone. We are in that flying position. All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
We are gonna fly like a manta. I guess, they don't really fly, do they?
Yeah.
They can kind of skim. We're gonna like soar like a manta, right? Yeah.
There you go.
Is that the correct terminology for a manta? What is it? Is it which? Skim, skip, I don't know. Soar, skim, skip, fly. Post in the comments below what you think a manta does. Like, what are we doing? What is our manta action here? All right, everybody, here we go. We are at the top of the lift. We're in flying position. And we're getting ready to do what the manta does. Oh crap, here we go. No! Oh, here it comes. The pretzel loop.
I like pretzels!
Makes me hungry. Oh! It makes my face hurt. We're soaring, or skipping, or flying. Woo! Oh man! All right, here it comes. Trim brake, trim brake, trim brake. How you guys doing over there? Get ready for the water effect. All right, here we go. Hello, waterfall, and flippy upside down bit. Oh man, I love it. And into the brake run. Woo! All right, here we go.
Super Grover!
Grovers, what is this? The Boxcar Racers. I can't decide if the Grover logo on the front of the train looks like Grover or Gatorade though, but hey.
I went to UF, it looks like Gatorade to me.
Yay! All right, everybody, here we go.
Yay.
Get ready for it. The most intense Grover ride at SeaWorld Orlando. Whee! Oh man! Here we go. We're Grovering around the track. Oh, is that a thing? Grovering?
It's a verb now.
Yay!
Riders, please remain seated until the boxcar comes to a complete stop.
Show us the way.
Welcome, friends. Do not be afraid. Come closer. I give to you the magic of Atlantis.
Ah, crap. I know what's coming up. Oh, man. Here we go. Ah, crap. No! Oh, my God. Oh, my butt is totally wet now. coaster. Woo! All right. Oh, here we go. We are launching into the Howl-O-Scream night.
It's spooky pipeline.
It's like blood red pipeline over there.
Oh, dear.
Get ready. All right, are we standing?
We're standing.
We're standing. Here we go. And we're launching. Into blood red pipeline. Hooray! Whee! Oh, I'm surfing. Yay! I'm surfing upside down. Whee! Oh, we have surfed again. Oh, woo! Oh, all right, get ready for some more bounciness. Whee! Yay! We have bounced. Oh! Here we go, guys. Whee! Oh! And into the brakes. Woo! Are you ready to stand up and launch?
I am standing, I am launching, I am surfing.
All right, here we go. We're gonna be surfers. Oh, we're gonna ride the wave. Get ready for it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go! Yeah! Woo! Oh, yeah! Oh, man! All right, here we go. Get ready to ride the waves. Woo! Oh, yeah! We're bouncing and flipping upside down, and we're standing up. We're surfing! Hooray! Whee! Oh, how's your surfing over there?
Great.
Oh, here we go, ride the wave! Whee! Oh my God! Oh yeah! Oh wow, here we go! One more time, we're surfing! Woo! Oh wow! And that's Pipeline at SeaWorld Orlando. How was your standing and surfing?
Great.
You were bouncing quite a bit.
There was a lot of airtime.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.